Hello everyone, my name is Abbishek. I'm from DEP 1B and my matrix number is 01 DEP 23F1048.
Assalamualaikum, nama saya Muhammad Amirul Akmal bin Anwar. Nombor kad matrik saya 01 DEP 23F1036.
Hello everyone, my name is Geerthiban. I'm from DEP 1B. My matrix number is 01 DEP 23F1042.
My name is Sharafudin bin Anwar. My matrix number is 01DEP 23F1031.
Here are the trigonometric formula. Before we know the formula, we have to know which one is hypotenuse, opposite and adjacent. Usually, the hypotenuse is the longest line in triangle. Opposite is the line opposite to the hypotenuse and adjacent is the line next to the hypotenuse. After that, we will use the soft formula, which is sin theta is equal opposite over hypotenuse. The second one is chah, which is cos theta is equal adjacent over hypotenuse. And the last one is toa, which is tan theta is equal opposite over adjacent.
Quadrants are divided by 4. That is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3 and quadrant 4. At quadrant 1, all are positive. That means sin, cos and tan are positive. But at quadrant 2, only sin is positive. At quadrant 3, only tan is positive. And at quadrant 4, only cos is positive.
The third formula in this trigonometry topic is the sine rule, which is A over sine A is equal B over sine B is equal C over sine C. When we want to use the sine rule, it is used when given two angles and one side length in a triangle that is not right angle, or given two side lengths and one angle in a triangle that is not right angle.
Cosine rule can be used to find angle and side length. However, there are only two cases that we can use the cosine rule. The first case is there are only two sides and angle are given. For this case, the questions usually ask us to find the length of the remaining side. If we want to find the length of A, we can use the formula A square equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. Same goes with B and C. Just modify the formula to find the other length. The second case is there are only three sides are given. For this case, the questions usually ask us to find the angle. We can use the formula cos A equal to B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2BC to find the angle. Just insert the value of the length and calculate as usual.
And today I'm going to solve a trigonometry question. So let's see the question. So the question shows a ship is sailing towards a lighthouse when the ship is 1.5 kilometers away from the lighthouse. Here is the 1.5 kilometers, and the angle of elevation to the top of the lighthouse is 20 degrees. So here is the 20 degrees. Calculate the height of the lighthouse. So here is the height of the lighthouse. So to find the height of the lighthouse, we can use two methods. The first method is we can use tangent 20. So method 1, tangent 20 equals to h over 1.5 kilometers because tangent is toa, so opposite over adjacent, so 1.5 kilometer. So in order to find the h, we have to move the 1.5 kilometer multiply with tangent 20, so h equals to 1.5 times with tangent 20. So we get the answer is 0.546 meters. So we can use another method to find the height of the lighthouse. So the second method is by using sine rule method. So sine rule method is h over sine 20 and equals to 1.5 kilometer over sine 70. So we must move the sine 20 multiply with 1.5 kilometers over sine 70. So we get the h value is 0.546 meters. So the answer is same. So we can use the both methods to find the height of the lighthouse. So I pass my next slide to my friend Geerthiban to explain another question of trigonometry. Thank you.
So hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to solve this question. First, we must read the question and understand the question. Second, we should label the keywords. For example, standing 300 feet away, and also angle of elevation 75 degrees. Second, we must draw a right angle triangle to identify whether we must use tan, cos or sine. For this question, we need to find the height. So we got the opposite, adjacent and hypotenuse. So for this question, we got opposite and adjacent. So we can use tangent. Tangent equals to opposite over adjacent. So equals to tangent 75 equals to height over 300 feet. So the tangent 75 is 3 points. Tangent 75 equals to 3.73 equals to height over 300 feet. To find the height, we need to times 3.73 times 300, that is equals to equals to 1119 feet.
As a conclusion, this topic is not only used in mathematics, but without us realizing, trigonometry is widely used in real-life application, mainly in engineering, astronomy, and architecture. Therefore, we can conclude that without trigonometry, life would be much more difficult. Thanks to it, many architects need not to go through the trouble to calculate things.